The apparatus dew point, ADP, refers to a critical parameter in HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, particularly in the context of air handling units and cooling coils. It's the temperature at which the air leaving a cooling coil reaches saturation, meaning the air's temperature is low enough that its water vapor content starts to condense into liquid. Key points about apparatus dew point, ADP. Relation to dew point. While the dew point typically refers to the temperature at which air reaches saturation and condensation begins in general, the apparatus dew point specifically applies to the cooling coil in an HVAC system. Importance in HVAC design. ADP is crucial for designing HVAC systems because it determines how much moisture will be removed from the air as it passes through the cooling coil. The lower the ADP, the more dehumidification occurs. Calculation. ADP is calculated using psychrometric charts, which relate temperature, humidity, and other properties of air. HVAC engineers use these charts to determine the ADP by knowing the entering air conditions, temperature and humidity, and the desired leaving air conditions. Impacts comfort and efficiency. Proper control of the ADP is important for maintaining comfortable indoor air quality. If the ADP is not correctly managed, it can result in insufficient dehumidification or excessive energy use. In summary, the apparatus dew point is a key concept in HVAC design, affecting both comfort and system efficiency by controlling how air is dehumidified as it cools. Thanks for listening. Please check description for much more.